Welcome back to the Oddity Odyssey channel, Fun Science. Dear friends, this is an extremely busy time for astrophotographers, as they are seizing a rare opportunity to photograph a peculiar and capricious comet, Comet Leonard. This is the brightest comet of 2021, and it will make its closest approach to Earth in the coming days before disappearing for 80,000 years. This means that after this approach, it will take another 80,000 years for the comet to return to the solar system. That is, in your and my lifetime, this is the first and only time we have the chance to admire Comet Leonard. Let's explore it today. Without keeping you waiting any longer, now, let's go. Before we start decoding Comet Leonard, I want to make sure you know what a comet is. A comet is a celestial body flying through space, similar to an asteroid, but not composed of rock and soil. It is mainly made of ice and water. Scientists describe it as a dirty snowball because it contains carbon dioxide, methane, frozen water mixed with dust and minerals. When it approaches the sun, the comet's temperature rises, causing its materials to vaporize. Under the pressure of the solar wind, it forms a long dust and gas tail shaped like a broom, hence it is called a comet. Comets are divided into three kinds: short period, long period, and transient comets. If short-period comets have orbital periods of less than 200 years and usually come from the Kuiper belt, long-period comets typically have orbits over 200 years. And they often originate from the solar system's Oort Cloud. Comets from the Oort Cloud contain materials from the early formation period of the solar system, making them highly significant for research. Transient comets have parabolic or hyperbolic orbits. They pass by the sun once and will leave forever, never to appear again. Returning to Comet Leonard, it also has another name, C. 2021A1. This is a long-period comet with an orbital period of about 80,000 years, meaning it takes 80,000 years to complete one orbit. The reason is that its orbit is highly eccentric, more oval than circular. This makes Comet Leonard extremely special. Because in each of our lifetimes, if you miss this observation, you won't get a second chance. Since it won't return for another 80,000 years. According to scientists' calculations, on December 12, 2021, Comet Leonard will have its closest approach to Earth. Then it will zoom past and move closer to the Sun. On January 3, 2022, the comet will reach perihelion, after which it will continue its journey in the next 80,000-year cycle. Comet Leonard was first discovered by astronomer Gregory Leonard from the University of Arizona in January 2021. So his name was also given to this comet. After the discovery, Leonard and his colleagues were thrilled to learn that Comet Leonard's orbit would bring it quite close to Earth in December, and then approach the Sun in January 2022. This visit to Earth will make it the brightest comet of the year, and people can see it with the naked eye. This further makes Leonard the most anticipated comet of 2021. However, something seems to be happening with Comet Leonard. In early December, as it approached Earth, it was not as bright as expected. Observing it with the naked eye is not at all easy. According to the usual pattern, as the comet gets closer to the Sun, it receives more solar energy, making it brighter. But instead, Leonard is not getting brighter, it is even fading. Scientists still don't know why this is happening. At present, observation with professional telescopes is easier. This is a photo by photographer Will Leverett, capturing Comet Leonard from Texas, USA, on December 8. And here is an image of Comet Leonard shining brightly, taken from the European Space Agency's Near-Earth Object Coordination Center. The photo was taken on December 7. At the moment the comet made its closest approach to Earth, on December 12, 2021. It was about 35 billion kilometers away from Earth. According to orbital calculations, the best time to view the comet is from December 14. The comet will appear in the sky in the evening, and residents in both the northern and southern hemispheres can observe it. After that, it will disappear from view after Christmas night. This means that in Vietnam, we can also see Comet Leonard. If you have an amateur telescope ready, observe Comet Leonard from December 14 until the end of Christmas night. After observing and capturing images of the comet, don't hesitate to return to this video to share with everyone. The comet's fading as it approached the sun raised many questions for researchers. This is strange because it had been brighter before. Clearly, something has happened to this comet. Scientists worry that the comet's fading could be a sign that this icy sphere is in the process of dying. In the past, some comets have broken apart when they came closer to the sun. And this may also have happened to Leonard. It may have split in two, causing the object to appear dimmer. There are several factors that can break apart a comet. For example, the gravitational pull of the sun or a large planet could pull it apart, or the comet's nucleus could also explode on its own. If the comet's material evaporates in a certain way, it can increase its rotation speed, causing the icy sphere to shatter into many pieces. If Comet Leonard is broken apart, scientists may never know the exact cause. Quanzi Yi, an astronomer at the University of Maryland, shared, "Comets often do all sorts of strange things. Sometimes they disintegrate before reaching perihelion. Sometimes comets disintegrate when they're farther from the sun. So we don't know until we witness it happening." Besides the hypothesis that the comet broke apart, Mr. Yi also said, other factors could be the cause. For example, the comet may simply have run out of ice to evaporate, although that is also unlikely, because the first photos astronomers took showed that Leonard was intact and showed no signs of being split in two. The reason this comet faded as it approached Earth remains a mystery. Scientists have prepared specialized telescopes to take pictures, analyze its composition, as well as observe the comet's surface as it flies past Earth, to draw the most accurate conclusions about why it faded. Hopefully, the mystery will be solved soon after Christmas night. And for you astronomy lovers, viewing Comet Leonard is also an extremely interesting experience before this Christmas season. Don't miss this once in 80,000 years opportunity. So today, Tomo and you have explored the mystery of Comet Leonard together. Wishing you relaxing and joyful moments with Tomo. And now, please continue to choose the video on the left or right side of the screen to join Tomo in decoding other mysteries of the universe. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.